video, I will be telling how you can build and deploy WordPress website within Azure. So for that, go to the app services. If you not find here, so just search it, right? App services, and here you can see option will become, and here press this create button, and the third option WordPress on app service, and here give your details like you need a resource group, so create one something and give some name. I'm in a free print, so at some reason it's not available, but it's available in, I think, Asia, yeah, East Asia. It will be available, and give as per your name, and just click yeah, it's the important part, admin username and password. Give Make sure you remember that this part. After give the something password, and it's contain capital alphabet and everything. So after that, press review and create. I've already created. It take lots of time, I think 10 to 15 minutes to build, so I didn't create again. Then if you are going to created, so you will be see page like this. How I can, yeah, like that. And just you need to go to the this one, this URL, and after clicking that, it will also take 5, I think 5 to 10 minutes. You will get page like this. It will be not sure login experiment. I try to log out. Yeah, and again I will be login, and here you can see you will be page like this. Yeah, I will also telling again that it will take 5 to 10 minutes after creating the, after you going to the first time this link, it will be installing WordPress. Now right slash, and you have to go to the wp admin, right into the end of your URL, and press enter. Then it will become one login page, and I will tell you before that that's needed email and password. So here just write it, your email or username and password. And if you want to remember me, and do login. After that you will be see page like this, and here you can edit the page. Wait a minute, I do one more things, and again open to see the changes. And I want to take or post. This one is hello world come from, yeah, this one is hello one from here. Let's edit this. To edit that, let's add new post instead of delete. I didn't able to find that. Okay, okay, okay. Next, get started. Hello Azure, something something. Write it and do publish, and publish. And I think it will be published, and I do refresh, and here you can see that hello Azure is come, and here inside that I can able to do a comment and everything, and here I can able to edit the comment also. Let's go backside and see what we also can do. We have the categories, yeah, we have pages, all pages, and here we can edit the page also. Get list. So yeah, from the left side here you can see you can add everything like code and everything, so you can add, and as per you what you want to make do in your website. So yeah, that's for this video. And one more things I want to tell, that if you're doing a practice you need to delete that also. So for delete purpose, go to the home page, click resource group, and click this resource group, and here you get one button of delete resource group, and copy this and paste this, and after some time it will be deleted. And I am again doing same for a network watcher, the source group. Do here, place delete, and this one, this, and delete, and delete. S- Here you can see it will loaded, means now it's not able to access. So yeah, that for this video. Thanks for watching.